This building was just renovated and we've got two layouts. It's basically 5 floors. Every floor has 2 apartments and they're all the same. So the question is, do you like the front facing layout or the rear facing? They left it, but they kind of covered it up. You've got a closet, nice kitchen. No dishwasher, but I kind of like the cabinets and everything. It's a little different than what you usually see. The bedrooms will fit full or queen beds in each, and they all have closets, split unit heat and AC. We are in the East Village on 6th. Here's a closet, and you've got 1.5 bathrooms. So for roommates, this is pretty awesome. Even if someone's using the shower or the deep tub, I love those tiles. You can still use the bathroom. Now, let's check out across the hall. You've got the rear facing, and it's a way better layout if you ask me. The other one had this kind of cutout, which interrupted like access to the kitchen and then that bedroom. This one does not have that cutout. I feel like the bedrooms are a tiny bit bigger. They stuffed up this one, unless it was always stuffed like that. Bedroom number 2. Yeah, these are definitely a little bigger. The apartment overall is a little bigger. The living space is a little bigger. Kitchen's the same. You still have this cool toilet over here and the other bathroom.